Today, I'm going to show you how you can clone any YouTube channel or creator and actually chat with them or with their videos. You'll be able to ask questions, get ideas, study their style, and even use it as inspiration for your own content. And the best part? We're doing it all with the free Google tool called Notebook LM. Let's jump in. First, open Notebook LM. Click Try Notebook LM. If it's your first time, you may need to sign in, but I'm already logged in. Now create a new notebook.
Notebook LM lets you add sources in several ways. You can upload files, connect to Google Drive, paste website links, or add YouTube links. To clone a YouTube channel, we need to bring in all of its video URLs. Let's say I want to clone this channel. Open the channel and copy the link from the very first video. Then return to Notebook LM, click on YouTube, paste the link, and add it. After that, go back, copy the second video link, and add that too. Normally, you'd repeat this for every video one by one, which takes forever if the channel has dozens or hundreds of uploads. That's why we're going to speed this up. We're going to use 2 browser extensions, and I'll have their links in the description. First, install an extension called Grabit. Once it's installed, click on the extension icon, then go into More Settings. Scroll down and click Add New Action. Here's how to set it up. Choose any mouse button you want, assign a shortcut like Ctrl+Shift, and under Action Type, choose Copy URLs to Clipboard. Click Save. Now, this shortcut will automatically collect every visible video link from a channel page. Go to the YouTube channel you want to clone and scroll down to load as many videos as you can. The more you load, the better the clone. Once everything is visible, press your shortcut and click the mouse button you assigned. Grabit will start pulling links, and you'll see a message like 25 URLs copied to clipboard or more. In my case, I ended up with 97 video URLs. If I open Notepad, you can see the full list right there.
Now install the second extension, Notebook LM Importer. This one lets you send all those links straight into Notebook LM without adding them manually. Open the extension, choose the notebook we created, and switch to From URL List. Paste all the URLs you copied, then click Import URLs. Notebook LM will now scan every video. It pulls the transcripts, key points, and important details automatically. You'll see the videos appear inside your notebook as they're processed. Once everything is imported, you can start chatting with your cloned YouTuber. For example, you can ask, explain this channel's editing style. Give me video ideas like this creator. How does this YouTuber structure their content? Notebook LM will respond in the creator style, using real information from their videos. If you click on Sources, you can see exactly which video and which part of the script the answer came from.
Notebook LM also includes 2 powerful features, Audio Overview and Video Overview. Audio Overview creates a podcast-style conversation between a male and female voice summarizing your notebook.
For starting a side hustle, a YouTube channel, whatever it is that gets you to that months on it. Let's get right into it. 2 million pounds a year
should be the smallest possible thing that exposes you to failure.
Video Overview creates a slideshow-style presentation with visuals and narration. You can generate both with a single click and use them for inspiration or learning.
All right, let's get right into it. If you actually outside, and a lot of that other side, the what do. How do you actually work? It's about realizing that the best work, the kind of stuff that can stay in the starting, but let's balance better next time. So where do the killer values us to maybe the most define what success philosophy? It's just an endless have, and a big reviewer just tore it to shreds. It was a failure.
And that's it. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.